Before I came to Sequoia, I was struggling with pain in my legs, starting by the ankles and ending up real high. About 3 months ago, and the constant symptom was legs hurt, just hurt. I'm not used to that. When the pain began, I was unable to do what I wanted to do, like start a laundry. I'm not getting up. I'm just going to sit here because it's going to hurt when I walk. So I had a lot of that. I usually been able to work 5 to 6 hours a day. And after 2.5, I was done. Like, tired, done. Pack up and go home. My biggest worry was not ever working again. I love working. I know it sounds weird, but I love working. When the pain started, it was scary because I'm not in pain. So I had to attack it somehow. So I started looking around, and I tried a few things, but that don't work. To reduce my pain, I tried massage. It was so good. Next morning, back again. So I gave that up. When the massage did not work, I felt totally frustrated because I was anticipating, this is it. I first heard about Sequoia through Bob Marshall on radio. My first impression of Sequoia when I got here was they actually care immediately for you versus putting you in the corner and we'll get to you. So that was a welcome. My first impression of Dr. Schilling was surprised that this guy knows this. And he's young. And kind of frustrating. And then the more you work with them, then you get smarter. Yeah, I was surprised about Sequoia asking me about emotional things. Guys don't do that. And he did. And there was some great openings that you could take to heart instead of blow them off. I was not afraid to work out of my insurance, mostly because I didn't have much. I think it's valuable to work outside of your insurance because through the insurance, they don't know it all. And it's always good to check something else out. Yeah, Sequoia feels different from the traditional idea in that they care about you directly right when you're in the office. They somehow know how to find out about your family. You know, I get to brag about my grandson, which as a customer, I love doing that because I'm, again, feeling welcomed. Actually, it's throw away the medical, let's talk about health. And your well-being is way more important than like the superficial things. You get right to it. And I like that. And I don't mind hearing what I could be doing different. Because what I've been doing isn't working, so there's no sense going down that route when you're going to see the traditional approach. You're always there. When I was hooked up to Synexus, it was easygoing. They were patient to increase the sensation to the point you can tolerate it. The Synexus machine was not additionally painful because I saw I had the authority of my own to say too much. And we made it less. So after my first treatment, I didn't feel a big difference. And I wanted to complain. But I remembered I signed up for 6 treatments. I'm glad I did, because number 6 is the answer. Yeah, after the third or fourth treatment, The pain was noticeable in the morning, but the rest of the day, zero. After my 6 treatments, I feel zero pain in my legs. That's a pleasant surprise. If there's anybody else out there that is suffering leg pain, you can actually do something about it. Call Sequoia and do the treatments. It's easy to assess after the first, so go for all of it. My name is Herb, and I am a general contractor by trade, handyman by hobby, and I'll do anything to have fun. I love to play with my grandkids, and most of all, I like waking up in the morning to take care of myself, have some alone time, and then after that, I enjoy supporting others throughout the day. And I'm a participant at Secoya Health.